My dear students of 8th standard, so today we will continue with our lesson before the match. Try to recollect whatever we have discussed or whatever we have learned in the previous class, and we will now move on to the rest of the class. Dear students, you must be remembering whatever we have seen in the previous class. We have seen who is the author of this lesson. It is R.K. Narayan. He is a renowned Indian writer in English, and this particular story is taken from the novel, his first English novel called Swami and Friends, in which he describes the adventures of a group of schoolboys in India in the 1930s. So this is an extract. This is a portion taken from that big novel, in which the lesson begins like this. Rajam lost all peace of mind. Rajam must be the captain of a particular cricket team. So their team is going to compete with the YMU, Young Men's Union, a cricket club, another cricket club, with which they will have a competition, a match within a fortnight. That means within 14 days they will have the match. So there is something that he is happy about, is that his team is sufficiently strong, but one thing is there which caused him anxiety, is that the trait of the team, or the main bowler of the team is not there for the regular practice. That is the cause of his deepest anxiety of our Rajam. So Rajam called Swami and told Swami, you please come for the practice at least for an hour. But Swami is saying, how it is possible, because my headmaster is very strict. He will not let me go from the school for this kind of practice or anything. Then Rajam told, then you discuss with your headmaster. Then Swami told, no, that is not possible. Then, oh, no, Swami cried. Now come to our lesson. I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. There is no room for thinking in that way. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. So Rajam is saying, you should have good practice. Whatever you do, you discuss with somebody, or whatever you skip the class or whatever, you should be there for the practice, and that is my requirement. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. That means we will never be friends again. So that is it. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. So now there are only 7 days left for the match. 7 days are already passed without any practice. So Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. Now he has to somehow skip the classes, somehow go away from the school and have regular practice. Otherwise things will be in trouble. We will be in trouble. Our team will be in trouble. As soon as the evening bell rang, so our Swaminathan is in the school. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. So there were many students in the drill ground. So he also had to be in that particular group, and he had to be lined up for a drill practice. But contrary to custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. So for the drill practice, you are supposed to take off your coat and cap, but he, on the contrary, did not take away the coat and cap. All the others were in their shirts. So all the other students were getting ready for the drill practice, but what our Swami did, he is going to play some trick. So he did not take off his cap and his coat. Drill practice needs a lot of exercises, and also if with the cap and with the coat and all, no, you cannot go on with the regular practice. So now our drill master will come and ask him, why are you not taking off your cap and your coat? So Swami has some beautiful answers for that, and we will see that. Now look at this picture in which Swami is with his drill master, and he is with the coat and his cap. So Now, the other students, with their dhotis tied up. So, all the others were in shirts with their dhotis tied up. They had dhotis, at that time the students were wearing dhotis. So, they had to tuck it up. Nicely, they will tie it up, tuck it. So, the drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down. Now the drill master came to him and looked from top to bottom at Swaminathan. So Swaminathan is not changing his dress and he is not getting ready for the drill practice. So drill master got confused and he is little anxious. He is angry, looking him up and down and passed on muttering. So said something in low voice, "You won't get leave." So Swami must have asked for leave to drill master, and this particular person went near this teacher went near to Swaminathan and said to him, saying something in quiet voice. Muttering means saying something in quiet voice, low voice. "You are not going to get leave. Coat and cap off. Take off your coat and your cap. Take off." Swaminathan became desperate and persuade him. Persuade him means asking, you will ask, "No, sir, please allow me, sir." So that is called pursuing somebody. "Sir, I am in a terrible state of health." So he is going to tell a lie. "Sir, I am in a terrible state of health. So I cannot do anything. I cannot move. I can't attend drill today. So I am not able to attend the drill class today. I shall die if I do. So if I do some drill, I will die now itself because I am not able to do any drill practice, sir." So the drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was dogging him. Dogging him means going behind the master and pleading him to get leave. Why Swaminathan wants a leave? Because he wants to join his friends for the practice session. He turned round on Swaminathan with a fierce oath. "What is the matter with you? What is the matter with you?" With a fierce oath, he was very angry and asked our Swaminathan, "What is the matter with you? Why are you not joining the drill class?" "Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious. Do you know? The last night I had a terrible fever and I lost my conscience and I was out of my mind and I'm terribly tired now. Last night I had a lot of bad dreams and all those things." The drill master was stunned by the piece of news. So he got struck. My goodness, you are delirious. You know what is delirious? When you have high fever, you will start shivering and you will be, very much in trouble, and you will see something what is not there, and you will be like schizophrenic, like psychic person. So that kind of a state of mind is called delirious. You were delirious? You were in such a terrible situation? "I didn't sleep a wink last night." So Swami is saying, "I could not even sleep a wink. I could not close my eyes even for once. I could not close my eyes. I was delirious. I had a high fever. Our doctor said so. It is my doctor who said that I was delirious. I had a high fever, and it is not me, but the doctor. He has asked me not to attend to drill for a week to come. So my doctor told me that I should not attend the drill class for a week because I am delirious and I have high fever." So it is a trick played by this naughty boy Swaminathan. He wants to skip the drill class and go for his business, like going for practice. "I don't believe a bird. Get out!" So the sir came to know, the drill master came to know that he is playing some trick. Then drill master said, "I don't believe you. Get out now." Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. So Rajam was very happy that Swaminathan is there on the field for the practice, because he is sent out from the drill class. The next morning, he formed a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. So now Swaminathan is again, he is a naughty boy, and he is planning something else to get away from the drill classes for a week. It was 7:30 in the morning. So it was 7:30 in the morning. So he's planning something, and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. So he had more time to get ready to go for the school. Swaminathan quietly slipped off the house. So he just got out of his house. He stood before a shop in front of which hung a board, Dr. T. Keshavan, L.M. and S. Sri Krishna Dispensary. So it was a dispensary in front of which Swaminathan stood. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free, and he entered the shop. So now our poor Swaminathan is getting into the shop, that particular dispensary. So he is going to play some trick with the doctor. So we do not know what is that. We will see that maybe in the next class. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So listen carefully, listen to this class 2-3 times, and read the text till page number 20, 19 and 20. Read those 2-3 times, so that the lesson will be by heart. You can answer any question. If some questions comes from out of syllabus also, you can answer. My dear friends, write copy and send to me. See, since we have these online classes, try to be more serious, because your parents are helping you, the teachers are very busy preparing lessons for you. So since all are helping you, you should also cooperate with them. Okay, you are all good students. I'm very happy about you. So go on. We will see you in the next class. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. One last thing, please write down the glossary and learn the new words. Okay, thank you.